Oscar Newcomen engine was built in 1795. It's the oldest steam engine in its original location in the world. This summer we're planning a really exciting project looking at the Newcomen engine, including archaeology, creativity, all sorts of activities. We've been talking to local people about what they know about the engine and what questions they'd like to ask, and we'd love to hear from you.
Why is the Newcomen beam engine important in terms of World Heritage?
Where was the boilers moved?
Where did the boilers go? Who were the workers?
Where was the original boilers made?
What do the boilers look like? How did Mr. Newcomen discover that steam could be used as a pump? Boiler 1! Boiler 2!
You've heard from the young archaeologists and what questions they want to ask, and now we want to hear from you. We want to hear from people of all ages about what makes them curious about this site, what makes them interested, and what stories they want to hear.